Power of subconscious mind. Whatever happens to our life is what subconsciously we have thought. Whatever we think, we transfer that energy to universe and then we get what we want. So always think what you want. Attract what you want. In all this cycle, key role is our mind, our subconscious mind. In our mind, subconscious mind is responsible 90% for what we think, what we do, what happens to our life. It's all responsible by our subconscious mind. Let's understand how our mind helps us to achieve the desired what our life want. How our mind works. In a day, we get normally 50,000 to 60,000 thoughts. However, more negative thoughts and less positive. That's reality. Because most of our time, the thoughts are not intentional. It just pop up in our mind by looking at someone, by reading something, by watching something. Our mind gives shape to our thoughts. We can't see our thoughts, but we can feel it. We say, I'm hurt, I'm upset, I'm happy. All these things we say, but we can't see these things. We can't see the feelings. Still, we can see our brain where all our memories, emotions, our thoughts all get processed and stored there. Here, our thoughts get processed and that get action plans how to react. Here we get reactions on our emotions and our thoughts. Where your emotions work faster than your brain, then we may take wrong decisions because it should be balanced. So, we need to understand how to control our emotions, our mind, everything. We will understand the techniques to do it. Consciously, whatever we talk, we walk, we drive, we do office work, we do conversations, we do office meetings, we take decisions. All what you do with your conscious mind is decided by your knowledge, your informations, your previous experience, everything. Whatever information you have, whatever knowledge you have, what you may got previous dependent experience, all this depend that your conscious mind works and decide what you want. In this awakening situation, whatever you do is called conscious mind decision. Second is unconscious mind. Since your birth till date, whatever your thoughts, your previous birth, your dreams, everything is stored in unconscious mind. In fact, your desires too. There is a difference between unconscious mind and subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is also, we can store thoughts, but it's the feelings which are connected to our thoughts. In any incidents which have added some value, happiness or sorrow in your life, that incidents are stored in subconscious mind because it's already connected with your feelings. Whatever your wishes, to fulfill your wish, that power is in the subconscious mind. You can achieve whatever you want through your subconscious mind. And hence, we need to understand the subconscious mind first. This works like a magnet. There are 3 steps to use this technique. First is ask. Ask what you want. Second is believe. Believe that whatever you will ask, you will get it. And third, receive. Receive what you have asked, what you have believed. Your thought convert it to reality through the belief system and through universe. High frequency thoughts get high energy and that frequency will get what you want. If you want money, fame, good life partner, then that frequency you should give to universe. What you want, that you need to think. Never think how it will happen, how things will turn out, because this create less frequency. Always think this thing I want and this is how it will work. Constantly ask, constantly think about that things what you want. If you do it, it get created. Situation get convert into your favor. But this subconscious mind have some limitations. Subconscious mind will work when you believe in it. If you believe in these things, then your conscious mind will give signal to your subconscious mind. If your conscious mind gives instruction to subconscious mind that this can happen, your subconscious mind will work with full energy. Yes, you can do it. Believe in this. Conscious mind will give signal to subconscious mind and it will work. But if your subconscious mind have doubts or have courage, I don't know this will happen or no, this doubtful nature will give subconscious mind a signal, and this way lot of obstacles you may feel to complete your work and you will never achieve what you want. In simple words, if we understand, conscious mind is a security guard of subconscious mind. If your security guard allow the thought to come inside, subconscious mind will accept it and work very hard to achieve it. So, always be strong with your subconscious mind. Believe in that and achieve what you want.